What's up, guys? We got Nico Correa, Ranger dude out here.
Hey, how you guys doing? Listen, Free My Spine is the one spot that I go to, man. I'm a stuntman. It's hard on the body, and when I choose, where to go to get pampered, it's my man Charles at Free My Spine here in Tahunga, and I highly recommend it. Retired Army Ranger here, and I wouldn't go anywhere else.
Appreciate that, Nico. Wow, brother.
Oh, bro.
There we go. You know what? I am going to give this a little push. Nico, give me a deep breath. Exhale. All right, Nico, let's do this. Lay on the back, face up. Let's cross it. Right there. Drop back just a bit. There's a little baby one left in there. There you go. There you go. You're doing.
Oh. Snap, crackle, pop.
All right, Nico. Yeah. And a boy. Put your hands like this. Yeah, come on. Lean back just a bit. No, nothing else. Just want to do the axial traction.
Man, well, I got to do a couple pulls for you guys.
I'll get in
now
there.
Now that he adjusted me, all about form.
So, you can kick that door if you need to. It's all good. Oh, wow. Boy. Oh, you're about marathon ready. You're gonna send this to Miguel.
I just lead the way.
Still got it.
Still got it, baby.
You still got it, brother.
Yeah,
you should walk on all of
I
this.
feel good, though.
Yeah, you look good, bro.
Thanks.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time.
It's like